hebben daar 2 stoelen klaargezet. Daar gaan Kurt en Winne gezellig naast elkaar zitten. Ja, jullie willen erbij gaan zitten, hebben jullie gezegd.
Op de eerste rij?
Nee, dat is helemaal goed. Op de eerste rij voor het optreden van Gabriel Rios. Ga er rustig zitten, hè, op jullie gemak. En dan gaan we nu luisteren naar die fantastische... Wacht, de centjes misschien even. Er is een heel stil momentje. We gaan zo meteen de centjes erin doen. Want hier is voor jullie. Geef hem wel een applaus. Komen we allemaal dichtbij. Hier is Gabriel Rios en Gold.
I'll kiss your mouth and swallow you home, and hold in my claim like an old 49er, wayward and skinny, for dust in the room from that holy water coming down out of our way. We're going for gold and holding our claim just like old 49ers out of the city and into this room from that holy water coming down on you and me. Water coming down. Lay me down. Tell me I've been found, 'cause I've been drinking from the flood. Come wayward and skinny, from dust in the wound, from that holy water coming down. Holy water, holy water coming down. Cause I've been drinking from the flood. Oh, but no one gets enough. I should have known right from the start. This is the ache and we've been hearing of. So yes, I'm gonna lay me down. Tell me you've been found. You knew what I was coming for. Went out of the city and into this room from that holy water coming down. Holy water, sweet water, holy water coming down.
Wauw. Mooi, 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 mooi. Super, 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 super. Ja, live vanuit het stadhuis in Aalst. Gabriel Rios en Gold.